Cardiff train station right outside of us. It's done under a bridge under the railway track.
Yeah.
And it's got really flat coats, and that would suggest to me that it's freezing cold out there this morning.
Oh my gosh! And if you've got your thermals packed, I mean, what are you for your cycling and for your run? What are you planning to wear, Rich?
Oh, I've got a wetsuit for the swim. I've got padded pants and padded lycra trousers for the bike ride, and then I've got with this gel which you've got to rub like on your thighs so you don't chafe when you're on the bike. I've got a sling for when I'm running. I've got my lycra trousers. And I just thought if you know, I don't know, people in Cardiff are hopefully going to come out to support us today. My legs look like two fags hanging out the pack. Honestly, the skinniest legs were ever seen. So in that lycra, it is not going to be a pretty sight when I'm running through Cardiff this afternoon.
Everyone is behind you. Just remind our listeners again this morning, Richie, why are you doing this? Obviously, it's for sport relief. How important is this challenge for you guys?
Do you know, it's so close to my heart. I think it was 2 weeks ago I went to visit a school, a project in South East London. And it's a school where a lot of children have either been excluded or been at risk of being excluded or struggled with attendance or struggled in lessons. And they do a session there called Football Beyond Borders. So what happens is these countries go in and they teach the kids through sport. So they do their internet maths, they learn about homophobia, they learn about racism. It's things that are going to help in society. They do it all through football. And then afterwards there's a football coaching class after school. And I think that's so important because I grew up on a council estate in Smedley called the Concrete Jungle. And we used to go to somewhere called the Centre. And it's because my mum worked in the factory, my dad was a white van man, so they didn't finish school 5. So when I finished school at 3, I had to go to the Centre. And whoever had the option to do football or dance, obviously I did dance. But the main thing is it got me off the streets, and it's a bit like this Football Beyond Borders. These kids aren't on the streets messing about. They're playing football, they've got a purpose, they've got a focus, it's improving them in school. So when I'm in the middle of that water today, and I'm swimming against the wind and I'm not moving, I'm just going to think of some of the lads that I met there, because they were so lovely, they were so polite, they were so focused. And every run, every pedal, every stroke in the water, the money we hope to raise is going to make sure those kids are hanging around on the streets.
I mean, this place is totally changed and shaped lives, Richie, as you just mentioned. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Wishing you so much luck, my darling, with your challenge. We're with you every step of the way. Thank you, darling. Bye. Hope it goes well, Rich, and make sure you listen to BBC WM tomorrow morning as well when we catch up with Richie to see how his Dare to Try challenge is going on day 2. Oh my goodness, that sounds terrifying, doesn't it? 3 triathlons in 3 days, mental. Right, we're talking about lots of different things, to be honest, this morning. I've got Scott in Kings Norton on the phone. Hello, Scott.
Good morning.
Morning, great to have you on. How are you?
Not too bad, in the office, so that's good.
Good. And what are you calling about this morning?
Sporting mishap. It's burned in my memory, even though it's getting on 30 years or so since. But it's Scottish schools, University of Scottish schools rugby final. I was in what they call a little bit of a rock. I was in a rock and got a ding in the head. Was slightly, I guess, concussed in the modern terms, but it's a little bit dazed. Somehow the ball just popped out somewhere and I saw it, and I seem to think in my mind I was 10 metres out or 10 yards out from the goal line, and picked up the ball and ran straight through the goal line, over the dead goal line, and put the first touchdown and assumed that I'd scored a fantastic try. Somehow to turn around and see 14 minutes looking at me and saying, why did you run through the goal? I think I put the ball back, because I thought I was 10 yards out, and I was about 2 yards out. I was literally, I guess, concussed in modern terms.
Oh, Scott.
So I thought I scored a wonderful try. And I literally ran through the scoring area, shall we say.
I mean, did it put you off? Did you pick up a rugby ball soon after?
Went through into some universities and stuff, but that was it really. But that was the outcome of that was that you have a wooden plaque with something on it that is given to the player who does the most stupid thing in the game, and has to wear that plaque all evening through the club houses and all the rest of it, and out in the pubs. And let's just say it's designed as, or it's called for the Prize of the Game Award, yeah.
Oh,
But it wasn't quite that award, and it wasn't quite cheap.
Yeah, I wouldn't have thought so. what was your teammates' reaction when that happened, Scott?
Yeah, dumbfounded, angry, somewhat angry, let's just say the Giants continues for many years afterwards to university, into work, because there's some might be at some school that are still around now.
Friends are mean, aren't they? They like to remind you of things like that. We were talking about sports mishaps earlier, and I was talking about when I accidentally got put into a sprint race and made a right fool of myself when I was... So, I'm right there with you, babe. Listen, Scott, where are you off to now? You off to work, are you?
I'm in work. I'm over by the airport. We're at the project office near the airport, so I was on my way to work when I called earlier.
Bless you. Well, listen, thank you so much for getting involved with the show. That's Scott in Kings Norton there, sharing his sporting mishaps. We were talking about these earlier on, and Richie just spoke about before, whilst training for his big Sport Relief Challenge, he ended up doing his business next to Joe Radio Royalty while he was doing his swim. Set it on, doesn't it? Right, here we go then. I'm going to give you officially 3 minutes to get your final guesses in for the millisecond song, all right? Because after 8:30, we're going to reveal what it is and we're going to play you the song. So this is the clip that we're giving you. Loads of people getting involved this morning and getting it right.
Winter, which I'm a little bit scared for a cold.
I'm going to shout you all out.
And our temperature's down to 2.3 degrees Celsius. So a chillier start as we go into Thursday. We should see another dry and bright day, some patchy clouds, some sunshine through both morning and afternoon. The temperatures tomorrow are 10 degrees Celsius. And then on to the end of the week and into the weekend. Friday's looking dry but cloudy. And then into Saturday, well, it's looking like a mixed bag of sunshine and showers. A similar story to for Sunday. Highs of 9 to 10 across both days.
Rich, thank you very much. Rich Davis with the Welcome Pass. Knocking on towards my birthday.
Sport Relief Friday. Get your kit on is the slogan, isn't it, this year? Go and do something, raise some money, fantastic causes. We're getting involved. Sally and Twiggy are at the sharp ends this year for BBC Radio Derby. So, there's a big deal. You can come along and be part of it and watch and laugh and point and stuff. Rutland Sports Park, Ilston, Friday this week from 9 o'clock in the morning. They're going to go head-to-head in a set of sporting challenges. I don't think they even know exactly what's going to be the challenge until they get there. It's just but they've been trying out some different things to prepare. Did you hear Twiggy doing his badminton yesterday? Go on then, get me a bat. But then listening, I think he's played a bit of badminton. I think he's alright on that one. Sally put on a Sally put a video up on was it on Facebook or somewhere else, and trying the windsurfing out. I'm not saying Sally's ultra competitive, but from what we heard, there was a lot of falling in the water. But no, she's managed to find a clip where she stays upright for a fair amount of time before falling in the water. I'll just put the one up where I'm not quite good. Find out what happens on Friday morning in the Risen Ball Derby. Right, 8:30 it is with news headlines. Check in. Bank of England has announced an emergency cut in interest rates to help the economy as the coronavirus outbreak continues to grow. Rates will reduce from 0.75% to 0.25%. There will also be extra support so banks can lend to small businesses. The Health Minister Nadine Dorries has been diagnosed with the coronavirus. She's the first MP to test positive and is self-isolating at home. Here's our political correspondent, Nicola.
It's a pretty big deal in Westminster because Nadine Dorries is an MP who wandering around the Houses of Parliament regularly. Not only that, because she's a minister, she has pretty senior access to other ministers as well. On Thursday last week, she was at a functioning number 10 for International Women's Day with the Prime Minister.
Chief Executive of Age UK in Derbyshire wants to offer reassurance over the coronavirus outbreak to elderly people. HP says elderly people face many threats at this time of year and media coverage is fueling anxiety.
Winter flu and very cold weather unfortunately kills some of the most vulnerable people in our society every year, but that is put on the daily news as a little countdown every day, and so that level of anxiety does invite people.
Financial Times says Derby is one of the best places to be a new global business. It says the city exports more goods and services per job than any other place in Britain. Design company Catapult is one of a number of Derby businesses to flourish internationally. It now designs leisure attractions for 50 million visitors at 81 theme parks in 18 countries.
And money raised for Audrina Hudson Rights to help battle neuroblastoma could soon benefit other children with the cancer. The 5-year-old, who's from Derby, is in remission after being diagnosed in 2018. £145,000 was raised for treatment, which she was unable to have because she was allergic to the vaccine. If Audrina doesn't relapse in the next 5 years, the money will go to the charity solving kids' cancer. BBC Radio Derby News headlines. There's 28 minutes to now.
BBC Radio Derby Travel.
We're seeing severe delays a little further down the M1. This is southbound. There was an accident near junction 22 at Colville. Had a call from Matt on that. There were two.
There's coronavirus, but throwing the fact that he also owns Knott's Forest. And they got thrashed at home last Friday. With his neck.